Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to create an API gateway endpoint to confirm the user which we created in the previous video. So in the previous video, we saw that the user which we created or the user which we registered using the API gateway endpoint received an email, received a confirmation code via an email. So in this video, we are going to make use of that confirmation code and confirm that user. So I am at my serverless YAML file, and in here the configuration for the Lambda handler is going to be the similar. So is going to be similar. So I'll just copy this section, the Lambda handler section, and paste it here. I'll make the relevant changes. The name of the handler would be confirm sign up. The path of the handler functions would be uh, src functions confirm sign up.js. And under the event section, the path should be confirm sign up. The type of the method is going to be post. And similar to the previous Lambda handler, we do need a Cognito User Pool client ID in the environment variables. So once we are done with our configuration in the serverless YAML file, let let us head back and create confirm signup.js in under src functions. So under functions, I'll create a new file name confirm signup.js, and inside this file, I will need to export a method named handler. So I'll export const handler, which is going to take event and context, and this method is going to be asynchronous. Um, we have to type in this keyword here, and from the AWS SDK, we are going to import Cognito Identity Provider Client and confirm signup command. Inside the handler, I will add the try catch block here. Yeah. So before doing any changes, we will first initialize the client. So we'll type const client new client Cognito Provider client and the environment variable process.env underscore region. So once client is initialized, we need to retrieve email and code from event body. So email and code from event dot. Now we will start writing params for which are required by the confirm signup command. So let us look at the documentation of the confirm signup command once. So here we are, and when we look at the example syntax, or if we scroll below, you can see that we need client ID, we need confirmation code, which we received in the email, and we need username, which is nothing but email in our case. So with this, we are ready to prepare params for the confirm signup command. So const params equal to, so we are going to pick up client ID from the environment variables. This dot env dot Cognito client. The next parameter that we need is confirmation code. which is nothing but code which we retrieve from a body, event body, and username is nothing but email. I'm using the right typo for this params. Yeah, username and confirmation code. This seems to be right. So I'll head back to my VS Code and we will get response from the client send method. Response equal to await new confirm sign up command, which will take in the params which we prepared above. Once this is done, we need to return the response. Return status code equal to 200. In the body, we will return the JSON stringified response as is. Oh, okay. We do not need semicolon in there. So in case of error, we have to return status code equal to 500, and in the body we will return message from error.message, and details will have the error itself. Now that we have written our Lambda handler, let's go ahead and deploy this service from the command prompt. So I'll clear the screen and hit serverless deploy -- verbose again. Oh, we have got an issue here. So there was a problem with our serverless YAML file. I did not save that file with the latest configuration for confirmation sign up, confirm sign up handler. So I have tried to deploy that service once again, and it has started deploying. So I will pause here a bit and I will come back once it has been deployed. So now our service has been deployed and we got the API gateway endpoint for confirmation sign up in return. So I'll just grab this API gateway endpoint and go head over to my VS Code back again. In the previous video, we are going to head back to Thunder client extension, and I will create a new request here. Click on the new request button there, and I will copy the API gateway endpoint in here, and in the body, the method is going to be post, and in the body I will provide email and code. So I will grab email from here, the previous request. So I have renamed the previous request to sign up task manager. I'll go to the new request in here and I'll paste the email here, and we have to grab the code from the email which we received. So I'll head back to our browser and I'll copy this code from here and go back to VS Code and paste it here and click on the send button. Yeah. So we have got the successful response back from the API gateway. Yeah. Now we will just head over to our AWS console and look at the status of the user which we created just now. So I'm at my AWS console. I'll go back. I need to go to the Cognito section. So yeah, the name of our user pool is Task Manager Cognito User Pool. And in here, I will click on users. And yes, we see that one of our user has been confirmed. The status of one of these users is confirmed. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we are going to go ahead with our login endpoint. And thanks for watching this video.